Guys, you will be surprised to know that I am also not real person. I am also created by artificial intelligence. In fact, this channel is entirely created by artificial intelligence. Looks like the suspense of the movie, right? Stay with me, watch the entire video and you will not be disappointed, I promise.
Hi guys. I am Rashmi, created entirely by artificial intelligence tools. Everything that you see and hear in this video is result of the amazing capabilities of AI technology. I know it might seem a little strange or even unbelievable that I am not a real person. I do not exist and have never existed in the world. But trust me, the technology behind my creation is very real. From my voice, face, and facial expressions to the script. Every aspect of this video was made possible by the power of artificial intelligence. The creator behind this video wanted to showcase the incredible potential of AI technology and what it can do when put to use creatively. And I must say, I am honored to be the star of the show. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. I take you on a journey through the wonderful world of artificial intelligence. All that you have seen have been made by AI.
All that you have just seen was made by artificial intelligence. As you know, AI technology is constantly improving, and in this video I will show you the entire process I followed to make this short animated video that combines the use of 4 AI tools: Midjourney, ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and DID. First, we need an image. It doesn't matter if you are using your own image or image of someone else, or you create an image using Midjourney or Blue Willow. Here we are using Blue Willow AI tool to create an image. Go to Blue Willow, login to it, use the command and create an image of your choice as per your description. This image I have created from Blue Whale itself. Let's use it to create an animated video. Next tool we will use ChatGPT. GPT we are going to use to create an script that we are going to use in our video. So I have typed the script description as, write a script for a short video where an artificial intelligence girl is introducing herself. Now the script is ready, you can use the entire script or a part of it. Next tool is 11 Labs. With the help of 11 Labs we are going to generate the voice. We just need to paste the script in 11 Labs tools and generate the voice. I especially like the voice model of Rachel, so I am selecting Rachel as my voice model. Let's see how she sounds.
Hi there. My name is Alice, and I'm an artificial intelligence designed to assist you in your daily life. I may not be a human, but I'm programmed to understand and learn from human behavior. My purpose is to make your life easier and... Hi there.
Now we have image script and in fact audio now, which is need to animate the image, and we are going to use a tool called DID. So we are going to did here, we just need to click on create video, add the image that we want to animate. After selecting the photo, we just have to upload the voice. In fact, we can type the script here, but we have to use the voice of Rachel, which we feel interesting. So we have added the presenter, we have selected the voice, now we just need to click on generate photo and wait for the results. Here I am showing two examples, let's see both of them, and please let us know in the comments which one you liked most.
Hi there. My name is Alice, and I'm an artificial intelligence designed to assist you in your daily life. I may not be a human, but I'm programmed to understand and learn from human behavior. My purpose is to make your life easier and more efficient.
Hi guys. I am Rashmi. Entirely created entirely by artificial intelligence tools. Everything that you see and hear in this.
If you have any questions, suggestions, or idea for us, let us know. We will make next video on the ideas suggested by you guys. Thank you for your continuous love and support. Love you guys, take care, bye bye. We'll see you around.